Let's unbox a Noriko style today. This is Storm coming up. I purchased this style. You can find it at Wig Studio One. Drop below the video. Expand the description box. I'll attach a direct product link. If you click on that link, it'll take you right out to the site where you can see Storm and check out all the colors and the pricing. Noriko is 30% off at Wig Studio One at checkout. If you have any questions, please reach out to support at wigstudio1.com, and don't forget to visit the private Facebook group called the Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. All of those links are below the video. So let's get started. This is typical Noriko box packaging. So here it is right out of the box. Noriko styles are just really easy to work with right out of the box because they are generally shag styles, and with a simple shake, you can wake them up and have them be ready for wear. So this is a traditional cap by Noriko. You're gonna see your closed rose lace top, and it features a lot of wefting and houses a lot of permatease there. Now this one has a built-in wire stay right at the front, right there. So you can manipulate that wire stay to give you the best look and coverage possible for the hairline. There's a built-in like hidden weft or little brush of fiber right at the hairline to help obscure it. A closed ear tab. Lots of fiber spliced in there. I'm expecting some really good coverage. And it looks like a standard nape with the pull strap type adjusters. Now on this one, I'm not noticing a lot of stretch. I feel like this is probably the legacy fit by Noriko, which is better suited for average and petite average versus average large. Now I do know that the Noriko styles do loosen up over time and with wear. So you know yourself best with the Noriko styles. All right. Let's go ahead and shake it out because I'm just dying to shake out these layers. That's how you get them wispy and fluffy and natural looking. You know how a wig tends to look better after you've worn it a few times? It's because it's loosened up and the fibers are awake. This is the traditional non-heat friendly fiber by Noriko. Each one of these fibers is really soft. It's a hardier fiber. I feel like these wear very well, especially at the shorter lengths. So let's go ahead and apply. Okay, we know this, right? We know not to panic. I can see the potential in it already, but this is just a first pass to let you know that this does fit me nicely on a 21¼ inch circumference without making any adjustments. So this is that true Noriko legacy fit, which is more petite average. Okay, so now let me adjust this on my forehead. Ear tabs, everything's situated. Wow, how cute. Noriko does the best shags in the world. Like, they have nailed the shaggy layering on their styles. It's really what they are known for. The other thing they're known for is volume and permatease. So this one is no exception. This one has a ton of permatease, guys. You gotta like permatease to like this Noriko wig style. That doesn't mean there's nothing you can do with it, and it does settle with wear, but I always like to get underneath the fiber, kind of press on that permatease layer just to sculpt it a little bit according to my taste and preference. I love height on top. I just don't care for it around the temple and ears so much. That gives me that rounded look. All right, so at the ear tab, there's basically no permatease, but there is permatease at the nape back, heavy on the top and just below the top there on the temple. And that fringe is about 4 inches. That's a little too long to wear it straight down unless you trim it, which can absolutely be done. I just think that these little shags like this are just so universally flattering. Everybody that I see it on is just adorable, absolutely adorable. All right, so in the back then, what you want to know is that the nape is about 6 inches. So I think on Reese or similar, it's about 3.5 inches. So it just looks like it's a little bit of a grown out cut. So this is truly a mid-length shag style cut. And I would say the overall on this is about 9 to 10 inches. true shag style. So you're going to see some forward movement on the layering. You're going to see some flips. You're going to see it's kind of carved out right at the bottom. So it's a very fine, light density right at the bottom. And the density is just average here on the top before the layering starts. Again, lots of permatease is what you're seeing, creating a lot of this volume. I just noticed here, I forgot to put this gal back here on the mannequin head. So if you're wondering what that is, I just got done reviewing it. It's the Belle Tress Cookies and Cream color, which I'm going to roll out immediately. I think we're all anticipating that one. This is actually the Rose Gold R, and Rose Gold R by Noriko, and also the Renee of Paris line. The Renee of Paris high fashion and stuff. This is a nice beigey kind of a neutral blonde, and it has some strawberry, some light strawberry in there, and then some platinum. That platinum really neutralizes it. I feel like this is really truly neutral on this particular piece. I feel it's like a little lighter and brighter than on some other applications, as I've said. So I do believe that this color will satisfy you. If you like either warm or cool blondes, this is again a nice neutral blending with a medium brown root. It's a very soft color. It weighs right around 3 ounces, so it's really lightweight. You can definitely get some ear tucks, definitely. So I love putting a shag behind the ear. And with Noriko, it just begs for it, doesn't it? That ear tuck. One or both sides, that ear tuck is everything, right? All right, we'll just go ahead and I'll do a little quick spin for you here at indoor and outdoor light, then we'll do some styling for Storm. Glasses fit nicely between the ear and the ear tab here. Again, that permatease is a little farther up on the temple. So I'm just going to go ahead and manipulate this style a little bit for you to give you a sense of its movement, the texture. Everybody have a great day.